Deep in the silent expanse of the cosmos, where light and sound fade into nothingness, there exists a realm of beings woven from the fabric of dark matter. Unseen and unknown, they drift through galaxies, their presence a mystery, their language one of gravity and unseen forces. But when an alien structure invades their silent world, everything changes. What happens when the invisible becomes curious and the unseen seeks to be known? Join us on this extraordinary journey of discovery and wonder as we explore the fusion of two worlds and the awakening of the cosmos. In the vast, silent expanse of the cosmos, where stars blaze with fiery brilliance and planets trace their eternal orbits, there existed beings of a nature entirely distinct from the universe of ordinary matter. These enigmatic entities were not forged from the atoms that constitute stars, planets, or the visible fabric of the universe. Instead, they were intricately woven from the elusive, invisible substance known as dark matter, a mysterious force that subtly shapes the cosmos in ways that the beings of light were only beginning to comprehend. These beings of dark matter were unseen not by choice or by stealth, but by the very essence of their existence, rendering them invisible and intangible, their presence an enigma, a silent force molding the universe in unseen and unknown ways. Their bodies were not composed of atoms, but of dark matter, a substance as mysterious as it was invisible, neither interacting with light nor emitting sound. It was a silent, unseen force, a shadow that shaped the universe in ways that were only beginning to be understood. These beings knew no light, no sound. Their world was one of gravity, a force that served as their language, their art, their memory. Each being carried within itself a unique gravitational signature, a complex pattern that spoke of its kind, its evolution, its purpose in the vast cosmic web, a silent testament to their existence amidst the intersections of galactic currents and the warps and wefts of space-time. Their presence was betrayed only by the distorted light of faraway stars. Their existence a silent harmony, a dance of unseen forces in the endless night of space. They did not build or create in the manner of beings of ordinary matter. Their structures were not made of stone or metal, but of gravity itself. Shaped and molded by their will, they did not speak or sing, but communicated in a language of gravitational waves, a symphony of unseen forces that echoed through the cosmos, a language of vibrations and distortions in the fabric of space-time, a silent song that only they could understand. Their society was one of silent harmony, a complex dance of gravitational forces that shaped their interactions, relationships, and very existence. They knew no conflict, no strife. Theirs was a world of silent understanding, a harmony that echoed through the cosmos, a symphony of unseen forces shaping the universe in ways that were only beginning to be understood. Their lives were intertwined with the cosmic currents, their movements a graceful ballet dictated by the ebb and flow of gravitational tides. They sensed the birth and death of stars, the collision of galaxies, and the silent whispers of black holes, their existence a testament to the unseen forces that govern the universe. But then they sensed something new, something alien. A crude structure, a station built of ordinary matter, had appeared in one of their gravitational nodes, an intrusion, a scar on the fabric of their reality, a disruption in the silent harmony of their world. The station was a stark contrast to their world, a jagged edifice of metal and light, its presence a cacophony in the silent symphony of their existence. The beings of dark matter did not understand it, but were drawn by curiosity and a sense of disruption, their gravitational senses probing its unfamiliar contours. As they drew closer, some began to change, fascinated by the station, its solidity, its permanence, its very existence a challenge to their understanding of the universe. They began to mimic its structure, their gravitational forms bending and shaping themselves in its image, a silent dance of adaptation and evolution, creating something unprecedented, a boundary, a limit to their form, a solidity both familiar and alien. This newfound boundary was a revelation, a tangible edge to their existence, a line that separated the unseen from the seen, the silent from the heard. Within that boundary, a possibility emerged, the potential to be something else, something more, a fusion of the unseen and the seen, the silent and the heard. One of them, a being of particular curiosity and boldness, ventured closer to the station than any of its kin, studying the humans, their movements, their interactions, their very existence, a mystery, a challenge, a fascination.
It sensed the vibrations of their voices, the hum of their machines, the pulse of their lives, a symphony of sound and light, both alien and intriguing. And it began to change, its gravitational form shifting and evolving, taking on a semblance of solidity, a fusion of the unseen and the seen, the silent and the heard, a transformation, an evolution, a new chapter in the silent song of the cosmos. The other beings watched, their gravitational signatures shifting in a complex dance of communication, a silent song of curiosity, fascination, and a hint of wariness. They sensed the change in their kin, the emergence of something new, something different, something that challenged their understanding of the universe. Some were drawn to it, fascinated by the possibilities it presented, the potential for a new harmony, a new symphony in the silent song of the cosmos. Others were wary, their gravitational signatures shifting in a dance of caution, a silent song of concern, a hint of fear. But all were fascinated by the possibilities it presented, the potential for a new chapter in their silent existence, a fusion of the unseen and the seen, the silent and the heard, a new harmony in the symphony of the cosmos. The station, meanwhile, remained oblivious to the beings of dark matter, its inhabitants going about their tasks, their lives, their very existence, a mystery, a challenge, a fascination to the silent observers in their midst. They did not sense the gravitational signatures, the silent song of the unseen forces that shaped the universe in ways that were only beginning to be understood. But the beings were learning, adapting, their understanding of the universe expanding with each passing moment, their gravitational senses probing the unfamiliar contours of the station, the humans, their very existence a silent song of curiosity, fascination, and a hint of wariness. And then, one day, the being that had ventured closest to the station did something extraordinary. It reached out not with gravity, but with a force the humans could perceive, a fusion of the unseen and the seen, the silent and the heard. A screen flickered, a machine beeped, and the humans turned, their eyes widening in astonishment as they realized they were not alone. Their very existence a part of a new harmony, a new symphony in the silent song of the cosmos. The beings of dark matter had made contact, a fusion of the unseen and the seen, the silent and the heard, a new chapter in the silent song of the cosmos. And in that moment, the universe became a little less lonely, a little more connected, a little more understood. The unseen had become seen. The silent had found a voice, and the beings of dark matter had taken their place in the symphony of the cosmos, a silent song of harmony, curiosity, and discovery, a new chapter in the endless dance of the universe. The humans, in their awe and wonder, reached back, their voices and machines singing a new verse in the cosmic symphony, a testament to the endless possibilities of the universe and the unseen forces that shape our existence. This newfound connection sparked a revolution in both worlds, a bridge between the seen and the unseen, the heard and the silent, a fusion of two realities that were once thought to be entirely separate.
Signal from X-42 lost. Archive preserved. Subscribe will activate the next transmission. A like confirms the life cycle. Your comment is the code for the next decryption.